Here's a short video on how to repair the EDU on an Opel Vauxhall 1.7 turbo diesel EDU. Firstly, we need to remove the back. You pry a screwdriver into the back and remove the back. This one's already been removed once, so it's a little bit easy. Okay. There. And if you have the brass screw to the right, as you're looking at it, you have two contacts coming through the PCB. What I've done with this one, I've resoldered them, these two here, and I've put a bridge across to ensure that the PCB has got a good connection. Secondly, down to the bottom, the right hand side of the EDU, you have three connections here. 1, 2, 3. Just place the soldering iron onto these and just dab a little bit of solder just so it reconnects. Once you've done that, reseal the back with some good waterproof sealant. Replace the backing plate on, and there you go. Refit the EDU to the engine.